Hi, Mark Fraser, Edwards Garage. Today I'm going to do a walk around video of this 2018 GMC Sierra Denali HD, and it's a 3500. So first off, I'm going to kind of walk around and show some the condition of the vehicle, and I'll point out some features of the vehicle as well. So first off, it has that classic Denali grille, the halogen projection headlights, which are automatic. It does have the park assist sensors. And there's an aftermarket light bar in there as well, the previous owner has installed. Now it does have paint protection. It has a 3M coating on it, so that's great, and it helped it protect from rock chips. Just moving down the side, as you can see, it is lifted. I believe it's a 6-inch lift, and it's got 35-inch rubber on it, and aftermarket wheels. It's got the tow mirrors on it that are extendable. It's got the Denali badging. Of course, it's got the running boards, and no major dents or scratches as I look down here. And the previous owner did put some protection on here, so that helped with the rock chips. It's got the flare mud flaps to help protect the body as well. Backup camera, and again backup sensors here as well. Just moving around the side here. I really like the fact that he's protected this with that 3M around the wheel wells. Just moving down the side here, no major scratches or dents. Overall, it's in good shape and good condition. Now let's jump inside and we'll go over some of the features of the interior. So I'm inside this 2018 GMC Sierra 3500 HD, and it has the Denali package on it. So just going to go over some of the features of the interior. Over here we have the integrated trailer brake, our 4x4 switch below that, auto headlights as I mentioned outside, and then there is a fog light in that button as well. We have the programmable seats, power folding mirrors, and power adjustable mirrors, of course, child locks, window locks. Moving over to the steering wheel, we do have forward collision alert. So if a vehicle does stop suddenly in front of you, you will get a vibration in your seat, and it will flash a red light up on the dash. So forward collision alert is a great safety feature. Now below that we have our heated steering wheel, and on the other side we have our Bluetooth controls along with our driver information screen controls as well. And on the back of our steering wheel we have our we can select through our favorites on our radio, and we also have a volume here as well. Now moving over to the radio, we have AM/FM satellite radio, and we also have the Bluetooth phone, and you can receive text messages through there as well. It does have projection, so you can project your smartphone onto the screen here. It will give you a summarized version of what's on your phone, and it comes with integrated navigation, which is an awesome feature on any vehicle. Now down below that we have our controls for our radio, and just below that we have a CD player. Very rare, but it does come with one. Now below that we have our dual automatic climate control. Basically you set the temperature and the AC or heat will kick on as needed. Now off to the side we have heated seats, and with the Denali it does come with the cooled seats as well, so it's a great feature for the summertime. Below that we have a bank of buttons here. We have the adjustable pedals, we have the stability track and traction control, cargo light. This can disable those parking sensors that I pointed out on the bumpers. This is lane departure alert, so if you do cross the center line it will let you know. We have hill descent assist, and then we have the exhaust brake for that Duramax engine. Now just below that we have lots of powering options here. We have the USB ports, we have the 12-volt ports, and then the 120 volt, which is great for keeping that laptop charged up. Up here we have our controls for our sunroof, and also the controls for the rear sliding window. Nice little feature, especially if you have a puppy back there. We also have our programmable garage door opener, and of course our dome lights. This truck does come with wireless charging on the console here. But other than that, the vehicle's in great condition. Those are the features. I did forget to point out it does have the Bose sound system, so that's a great sound system. Comes in the Denali. But overall, the condition is pretty good inside. I don't see any major rips or tears or stains. It's been well looked after. So let's jump in the back seat and we'll go over the condition of the rear seats. So I'm in the back seat of this 2018 GMC Sierra Denali HD 3500. Wanted to point out that it does come with the floor liners, and what a great job those do for protecting the carpet underneath. So nice little feature there. The seats are in great shape, no rips or tears or stains, so well looked after. One thing I wanted to point out before I leave the back seat, it does have one 12-volt charging port back here to keep your devices fresh. But other than that, the vehicle is in great shape in the interior. So there you have it, the 2018 GMC Sierra 3500 HD with the Denali trim level. Nice, sharp-looking truck. I also wanted to point out it does come with that full tri-folding tonneau cover. If you want to know more about this vehicle, give me a call at 403-845-3328 and ask for Mark.